Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix notes not showing on Instagram. So if you go to the Instagram application and go to your DM, as you can see, you will be able to find the option called notes right here. So some of people still can't find this option here. So this could be due for some reasons. Now first thing I want you to do is try to check your active status. So just go to settings and go to your privacy and make sure your active status is actually turned on, because most cases turning off active status will hide some of the items in your DMs menu. Refresh the Instagram application. Now go to your DMs page and again refresh your messages, and you will be able to see a list of all your active people and friends on Instagram. And maybe if you are lucky, you will also be find the option called notes here. However, if you don't find it, then there is also due to multiple reasons why this happen. One is because your Instagram app is most likely lacking update. So open up your Google Play Store or App Store, and in the search bar just simply search for Instagram, and you have to make sure that you are using the latest version of Instagram application. If there is any update, just make the update to the latest version. Otherwise, what just happened is, because now keep in mind it has been already months and years since Instagram rolled out the note feature, and Instagram always keeps updating their application. That is because they add new features to remove them. They test it out. If it doesn't work out, then if it simply remove this feature, and there is a high chance that Instagram has likely removed that feature from your region or anything as such. So in that case, there is nothing really we can do. If you want to use notes version, you can always use the older version of Instagram, but personally I wouldn't recommend you to download those versions. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.